Thinking about selling your home? You might be wondering, should I renovate or just stage it to get the best price? Let's break it down. Staging is all about presentation, decluttering, rearranging furniture, and adding simple decor to help buyers imagine themselves living there. Renovation, on the other hand, means making actual upgrades, like a new kitchen, fresh flooring, or remodeled bathrooms. So, which one gives you the biggest bang for your buck? In most cases, staging wins. First, cost. Staging is way more affordable. You can even use furniture you already own or rent just a few pieces. Renovations? That's a serious investment. Second, time. Staging can be done in a few days. Renovations can take weeks or months. Third, return on investment. Staging makes your home look move-in ready and can help it sell faster and for more money. Renovations don't always pay you back. Now, if your home is really outdated, a mix of both might be smart. Maybe update the kitchen or bathroom, but still use staging to polish up the rest. So before you grab a sledgehammer, consider the power of a well-staged space. It's faster, cheaper, and often more effective. You can contact Mike Boston and Robert McLeod, longtime residents of Charlotte. They have a lake and lifestyle realty agency to help you make the best decisions when selling your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on selling your home.